Okay, so when you get the headaches, first off, the pain is on the left side. Do you get the headaches all throughout, or is it just through here?
It's mainly behind this eye. A little bit here sometimes. If it's really bad, it kind of travels both, but it's mostly just like here.
So we've isolated that the jaw seems to actually provoke the pain back here, yes?
I think so.
Yeah, cool. All right, let's take a look. Go ahead and go face down. And then, so we've had the hip balance as well. I just want to see if the jaw is influencing that. Go ahead and turn your head to the left. No, that does nothing. Let's go to the right. And actually that evens out. Let's go back to center. Sure, turn to the right again. Okay. Do you get any, when you turn it to the right, do you get that increased pulling on this side when you do that? Or did you not feel it at all?
Oh dear. I don't know. I mean, it pulls a bit.
Yeah. See, that's affecting all the way down. Okay. How's that guy feel right there versus that guy right there?
The one on the left is more comfortable.
Oh yeah. Okay. Go ahead and lie on your back. Okay. So open your mouth wide and relax. So there's a lot of clicking, but it's not the grinding that it was last time. Open again. Yeah, and drop it down. So that's a pretty big click. Okay, we're just gonna check, do a couple tests. Push your head up against my hand, hold, okay. Push your head up against my hand, hold. Can you hold that at all, Allie? No. Those both are pretty darn weak there. First ribs, is that way more sensitive than this one?
You know how I am with pain. It's like maybe a little bit, not.
So from a little bit for you, that's like a 9 for me, okay. It is a little bit more than, say, this side?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Okay, so I'm gonna just push that in. And now I'm gonna have you push against my hand. Hold. Man, that almost got weaker. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is guide that condyle as you open up your jaw. Go ahead and do that now. You handle that okay?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, and then close it, good. And open as wide as you can. We're gonna guide it, pushing that lateral to medial. Can you go any wider? And relax. There's absolutely no click when we do that. Open your mouth wide again. And we're gonna strengthen it through resistance, a little bit wider. Good. And slowly close it down. Okay, that's gonna reinforce it. And then you're gonna open your mouth wide again. And relax. Now we're gonna get under the jaw. And I'm gonna have you protrude the jaw forward towards me. Oh yeah. And relax, good. You can feel where it really grinds there. Open your mouth wide. You feel that more on the right side or the left side? Yeah. Relax. Okay, so do that one more time. And relax. Okay, now I'm gonna have you open your mouth wide again. And we start to really work on the protrusion part. And relax. Now I start to feel that grinding again. So we're getting really deep into the dysfunction there. We're just gonna knock it back on track here. So you're gonna open your mouth wide again. And that seems to be the reset button that really helps open up.
The painful part.
Okay, open wide. And relax. Okay. So we're gonna see how just influencing the jaw is helping influencing the SCM, or this big muscle right in here. So you're gonna take your head and push it against my hand upwards again. Hold. I'd say it's about 50% better. It's not locking yet though. So we're gonna actually adjust just behind the TMJ right here on that C1. Beautiful. And then I'm gonna take the opposite end of the SCM. Can you handle that okay?
Mm-hmm.
There it goes. Nice little release there. Okay. And just take a couple deep breaths. Let's see how that holds. So same thing, we're gonna test that muscle. So we've lined here and here. Let's see how we've stimulated that muscle. Hold that up and push against my hand again. Hold, hold, hold. I'm gonna give you 75%, so we're getting up there. It's coming a ways here. And now push your head back. It's still not locking, so it's still unstable there. But man, you're really moving in the right direction. Let's see how the jaw's looking. Open your mouth wide. Good, and just a small little swing at the end. Let me give it a little guidance. Open it up. And relax. So there's still some bad muscle memory. Muscle memory habits in there, but it's coming along. Okay, we're just gonna decompress the traps. Take a deep breath, smile. I think that helps you heal faster. It's in the literature somewhere. Okay. All right, now let's just try one more time for good measure. Push your head against my hand there. Hold, up, hold, hold, hold. And we're gonna leave off with a 90%. I mean, that's not perfect, but man, that is so much better. Great job.